Hey, this is Burrell, the global ambassador for rum, with another really simple, easy cocktail for you to make at home. I'm actually using the Neptune Caribbean spice rum for this drink, and this one's called the Pina Libre. It's a blend of two of my favorite drinks, the Pina Colada and a Cuba Libre. So again, you're gonna have to use your shaker on this one. If you don't have a shaker, you can always use the water bottle. What you're gonna do is just add a good measure of pineapple juice. Now, I like to use about 50 mils. Or a double shot, but just a good little measure of that. Then you're gonna add about 50 mils of your Neptune Caribbean spice. Now, if you're measuring this out, you're actually gonna use about 50 mils. If you're in the States, you're gonna do 2 ounces. If you're like me, normally I just pour it out, I do about 6 seconds, because you just wanna feel the alcohol going into the cocktail as opposed to measuring it out. So I'm just gonna give this a shake with some ice. Good hard shake. Give it a little open. Remember, if you don't have a cocktail shaker at home, just use little water bottles. I'm just gonna leave that there for a second. I'm gonna add some ice to my glass. Nice tall glass. I'm using a nice little slender, more like a colada type of glass, because this drink does take skews from 2 drinks, the Pina Colada and the Cuba Libre, hence the name, Pina Libre. And then I'm gonna add half a glass of Coca-Cola. Look at that, just add the fizz. One of the reasons why rum or spice rums work so well with cola, because there's lots of similar notes in there, like vanillas and caramels, and of course the natural sweetness of the rums or the sweetness of the cokes. They go really well together. I'm gonna add a little bit more ice to that. And this is the part that I really love. It's when we strain the rum and pineapple, and we just let that slowly sit on top, and it forms 2 layers. Perfect. So you got the cola on the bottom, you got the pineapple, fresh pineapple juice and rum at the top. I'm gonna garnish it with nice little pineapple leaves. I love using pineapple leaves as garnishes because we normally throw these away. I love reusing wastage. And there you have it. Beautiful tasting drink, the Pina Libre. This is just for you. Let me get a napkin for you. And enjoy the Pina Libre with Caribbean spice from Neptune.